success is never easy. And there's no such thing as, I don't work hard, I work smart. No, you gotta work hard first, then you start working smart. There's no such thing, you just buy this program and then you're gonna be a million. No, don't do that. Everybody on social media is not who you need to be following and listening to. Be careful. There's no such thing as a microwave to success. And then you build a foundation. Because another thing I hear from people say, I'm going to have multiple streams of income. Come on, dude. What are you doing? You got to build a foundation first where you're solid before you start having the multiple streams of income. Like everyone knows me as financial guy, wealth strategist, creating generational wealth expert. They know me as that. But unless I tell you I have a tech company, unless I tell you I do real estate, unless I tell you I have a bunch of Airbnb, you'll never know unless I say it to you, right? But you know me as the financial insurance guy. That's what they call me. I said, all right, cool. The road is never easy.
Like, comment, and subscribe to TM University.